Right, hi guys, so we're at the Yamazen stand today, yeah, I'm just going to get a quick overview of the company. What's your name, sir?
Kitano.
Kitano.
Yes.
Okay, so could you give me a quick introduction about the company and what you guys do?
We are Yamazen. We are trading company for factory automation
Okay.
and logistics automation.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you guys manufacture your own robots, or are you more of a distributor?
Distributor.
Right. Okay. So, and I was just about to ask about Agibot.
Yes.
So, I'm assuming that's a new product that you guys have brought on board.
I'm developing the division.
Right.
We are supplying the industrial robot,
Yeah.
corporation robot, but next generation is the humanoid robot.
Yeah. I've seen that. I've seen that. And Yamazen, is it a Chinese company or Japanese? Is the company Japanese or Chinese?
Japanese.
Japanese. Okay. Is Agibot Chinese?
Chinese, yes.
Okay, yeah. And you got the AMRs as well, I see. So you got autonomous mobile robots, yeah.
AMR,
Yeah.
made by UI bot.
Oh, okay. UI bot. Okay. No, I think that's fine. And you've been around for a long time, haven't you? Since 1940 something. Like how old is the company?
Over 70 years.
It's a long old, yeah. I saw that on the notes, yeah. Okay, no, I think that's great. That's giving us a quick run through. What I'll do is I'll go do some videos, some close-ups. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's fine.